This video I will explain difference between UPI AutoPay and NACH. Both UPI AutoPay and NACH are systems used for automatic payments. This means you give permission once and the money is paid automatically on a fixed date. This is useful for subscriptions, loan EMIs, insurance premiums, SIP investments and OTT payments. This permission is called mandate, which is nothing but formal approval to auto debit money. Now we will see what is UPI AutoPay. UPI AutoPay is an automatic payment system that works through UPI. It allows businesses to collect money automatically from your bank account using UPI. Now we will see the example. You set UPI AutoPay for a monthly OTT subscription. Every month, the amount is paid automatically through UPI. You do not need to open the app and pay manually. Now we will see key features of UPI AutoPay. UPI AutoPay works using UPI apps. For example, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, etc. UPI AutoPay you approve using your UPI PIN. UPI AutoPay is best for small and medium payments. UPI AutoPay payment is instant. In UPI AutoPay, you get a notification before the debit. UPI AutoPay is easy to pause or cancel. Now we will see what is NACH. NACH stands for National Automated Clearing House. It is a bank-based auto debit system used for large and regular payments. It is handled directly by the banking system, not by the UPI app. Now we will see the example. Your home loan EMI is deducted every month automatically from your bank account. That usually works through NACH. Now we will see key features of NACH. NACH works directly through your bank. NACH used for big and important payments. NACH requires a mandate form or online approval. In case of NACH, payments are processed in batches, not instantly. In case of NACH, cancellation takes more time. Mostly used by banks, mutual funds, insurance companies, and government payments. Now we will see the main difference between UPI AutoPay and NACH. First point, system used. UPI AutoPay works on the UPI platform. NACH works through the banking network. Second point, speed. UPI AutoPay payment is instant. NACH payment is processed in batches, not instant. Third point, setup process. UPI AutoPay is quick, done inside a UPI app, approved using a UPI PIN. In case of NACH, it is a slower setup and it requires bank mandate, form or net banking. Fourth point, payment size. UPI AutoPay usually for small to medium payments. NACH commonly used for large payments like EMIs. Fifth point, control for user. UPI AutoPay is easy to pass and easy to cancel, and full control inside the app. In case of NACH, cancellation takes time, done through bank or company. Sixth point, user experience. UPI AutoPay is modern, app-based and fast. NACH is traditional, bank-based and slower. UPI AutoPay is used for OTT subscriptions, mobile recharge plans, app memberships, and small SIP investments. NACH is used for home loan EMI, car loan EMI, insurance premium, and large mutual fund SIP. Which one is better? It depends on the need. Use UPI AutoPay when you want quick setup, you want full control in your app, payment is small or medium. Use NACH when payment is large, it is a long-term financial commitment, it is linked to loans or insurance.